As a tale, so is life. It's not how long it is, but how good it is. This is what really matters. So I wish for you and for all gathered here a tremendous love and a good life. I'd now like to introduce Jamie's brother Daniel. I'd like to share a reading with you.
Hello. I'm going to read a brief poem by the poet A.E. Housman. This is poem number 32 from his great collection, A Shropshire Lad. And I'll follow that with a few comments of my own. From far, from eve and morning, and yon 12-winded sky, the stuff of life to knit me blew hither. Here am I. Now, for a breath I tarry, nor yet disperse apart. Take my hand quick, and tell me, what have you in your heart? Speak now, and I will answer. How can I help you? Say, ere to the wind's 12 corners, I take my endless way. Demosthenes of Rhodes posited 12 winds that blow our stuff of life hither and thither across the surface of the globe. Aparsitas, Boreas, Caecilius, Epaliotes, Everus, Phoenicius, Notos, Libonotos, Leaps, Zephyrus, Ariestes, and Thraskius. Our breath, the poem suggests, is a momentary channeling of the breeze, and soon disperses, circulating back through the 12 quarters of the wind that were its origin. In more modern times, we might think of the 11 elements that go into composing the human body: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chlorine, magnesium, and sulfur. You can't start a fire without a spark. Hydrogen has its origin in the transmutations of radiant energy that took place in the 3 minutes following the Big Bang. Together with helium, it accounts for 98% of the visible universe. A billion years had to pass before these first two elements were cool enough and stable enough to be wedded into stars. And in these celestial foundries, the remaining elements were formed. The elements that would later drift from out the stars and come to compose the bodies in which we greet each other today. So from far indeed, from eve and morning and yon 12-winded sky, the stuff of life to knit me, to knit us, blew hither. And here we are. We tarry for only a breath. How ought we to use the time allotted us? Hausman's poem has a suggestion. We are not here for our 80 years and 10 to master and subdue, to solve the mysteries of the universe, nor are we here to, in haste and desperation, amass the tokens of conquest and material well-being. We are here, the poem suggests, to bear witness to each other's unlikely and miraculous being. We are here to recognize how strange it is to be anything at all. And to share that sweet and sometimes painful strangeness with another equally improbable soul. Now for a breath I tarry, nor yet disperse apart. Take my hand quick and tell me, what have you in your heart? Speak now and I will answer. How shall I help you? Say, ere to the wind's 12 quarters, I take my endless way. It is our common vulnerability and our common sense of wonder, the poem suggests, that bind us together here for a breath under the wide 12-winded sky.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Time for you guys to do a little work. Come on up here, Sandy. John and Jamie have both written their vows. Know as you seek to enter into this state of matrimony that you must strive to make real the ideals which give meaning to both this ceremony and the institution of marriage.